In this lecture, we will focus on writing and refining a speech to ensure clarity and engagement. A well-crafted speech follows a logical structure, connects with the audience, and delivers a message that is easy to follow. Drafting is only the first step. Polishing and refining are just as important for making a speech impactful. In this lecture, you will learn how to structure a speech for clarity and flow, techniques for refining and improving a draft, methods for making a speech engaging and memorable, step-by-step guide to writing and refining a speech. A great speech is not written in a single attempt. Effective speakers go through a process of drafting, structuring, and refining to ensure their message is clear, engaging, and well-organized. Structuring the speech for clarity and flow. A speech must follow a clear structure to help the audience stay engaged. Every great speech includes three essential parts: introduction, grabbing attention, and setting the stage. The introduction sets the tone for the speech. A strong opening grabs attention and establishes credibility. There are several ways to start a speech effectively. A powerful quote. Choosing a relevant quote that aligns with the speech's theme can create immediate interest. A compelling question, asking the audience something thought-provoking, encourages them to think. A short personal story, relatable experiences make speakers more engaging. After capturing attention, the introduction should clearly state the purpose of the speech and preview the key points. Body. Presenting ideas in a logical order. The body of the speech delivers the main message. Organizing ideas in a logical flow prevents confusion. Common structures include chronological order. Presenting information in time order works well for storytelling. Problem-solution structure. Introducing an issue, explaining its impact, and providing a solution is effective for persuasive speeches. Thematic approach, discussing ideas based on key themes, helps in speeches that cover broad topics. Each section of the body should focus on a single idea. Transition phrases such as, "This leads us to our next point," or "Let's consider another perspective," help maintain a smooth flow. Conclusion, leaving a lasting impression. A strong conclusion reinforces the message and leaves the audience with something to remember. The conclusion should summarize key points. A brief recap helps reinforce the main message. End with a memorable closing statement. A final quote, call to action, or thought-provoking statement ensures a lasting impact. Refining and improving the speech. After writing the first draft, the refining process begins. Editing improves clarity, eliminates unnecessary content, and ensures engagement. Read the speech out loud. Reading aloud helps identify awkward phrasing, overly long sentences, or areas that lack clarity. Sentences that seem fine on paper may not flow well when spoken. Eliminate unnecessary words. Concise language keeps the audience focused. Filler words such as actually, and should be removed. Long, complex sentences should be simplified. Check for repetition. Repeating ideas without purpose weakens a speech. Reviewing the draft for redundant statements ensures that every word adds value. Ensure a natural speaking tone. A written speech should sound conversational, not overly formal. Sentences should be structured in a way that feels natural when spoken.